All right, so imagine this. We've all taken a vacation, we've all gone and came back, and we've all had the same reaction from friends and family, like, oh my gosh, what do you recommend we do there? Like, what did you do? How much were your flights? What hotels did you stay in? Oh my goodness, Marissa, I'm going there next September. What do you suggest for me to do? Like, what were the top restaurants you recommend? I mean, believe it or not, like, this is cool and all, but to answer these questions could be pretty difficult sometimes, right? And especially for me, I'm like, look, go to the YouTube channel. I have my whole digital nomad travel list. Go watch the video. P.S. Side note, I'm in beautiful Antigua, Guatemala right now, and I will in the future be releasing a video on this, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, the point of all this is, what if you could mix and marriage travel with affiliate marketing and get paid to answer all these questions that people have for you? Let me tell you, it is very, very, very possible. And in this video, we're going to be talking about 6 ways that you can monetize your travel with affiliate marketing, so stay tuned. All right, I'm gonna take you guys back inside, but the point I wanted to make before we get right into it is also traveling, and the travel industry is a multi-million, billion-dollar industry, and you could easily become an affiliate marketer and get a large chunk of that change. The point is, we've all heard of hotels.com, kayak, cars.com, expedia.com, and guess what all of these websites are? They're just giant affiliate marketing companies connecting you to products and properties and things that they don't even own. Every single time you book a hotel or a flight on one of these websites, that company gets a commission. So the idea is, all of these multi-million dollar, billion-dollar companies, they don't own anything. They don't own a single property, flight, hotel, airline, whatever. They just connect you to what it is you need for a vacation. And on this video specifically, my goal is to show you guys how you can monetize your next vacation by giving people travel resources that you were already going to do and that you've already probably done several times in the past. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into monetization number 1 of travel. All right, so the first way to get a piece of the pie of the travel industry is with Airbnb. Now, Airbnb isn't going to make you a millionaire, because when you refer Airbnb to somebody new, they give you a $72 travel credit. Now, I know that's not cash, however, it does add up the more referrals you get, and 72 bucks is, you know, a good chunk of change. If you're wanting to pay for your next spot, your next destination, it could make a big impact if you're going somewhere like on a 5-day trip. $72 does help for sure. Airbnb is a very trusted and well-known website, and very, you know, trusted worldwide in different countries. Airbnb is getting way more well-known, especially of what I noticed here in South America. So I would highly recommend, if you are an Airbnb user heavily, make sure you're getting your referral link and recommending it to other people that you know have not started Airbnb. All right, so the second way to monetize your travel for your next vacation is with Booking.com. Now, you can become an affiliate or a referral partner with Booking.com. And let me just highlight one thing about Booking.com. Who here has booked a hotel with Booking.com? I definitely have, several times, and I wish I would have known about this referral program before, you know, when I first got started with Booking.com. And let me just highlight something else. Every single day, Booking.com books 1.5 million rooms or hotels or lodging stays on their website. That is a shit ton of rooms. I mean, that's 1.5 million per day. Can you imagine that? And just getting just a little bit of percentage of that 1.5 million. That is insane. So let me tell you a little bit about their referral program and why it is super cool, and you should consider becoming an affiliate for them. So to sign up to be an affiliate, it is really seamless. It's very, very easy. The other resources that they give to you guys, so let's say maybe you have a travel blog or something like that, they'll give you little banner ads and little search engine. I guess it's kind of like an ad or an image that you can integrate onto your website, so it looks like it's, you know, official, so that people can search, like, let's go to the days and the city that I want to stay in a particular place. And that's really cool, so you can have these custom things available to use for your audience. And they also give commissions based on offers, so different offers you'll get a different amount of commissions, and it's pretty cool that the model that they have set up. I'll leave the link to their website so you can check more about their affiliate program and their affiliate resources. All right, so the number 3 tip that I have to monetize the travel industry is with Amazon.com and being an Amazon associate or an Amazon affiliate. And now most people, when they think about Amazon.com, they don't think about, you know, doing affiliate marketing in this type of way with travel. Most people are like, oh, I'm going want to be an affiliate on Amazon and I'm going to sell a camera or something that I normally use throughout the day, like a blender or something like that. But let me tell you one cool hack that you can do to make money with Amazon as an affiliate in the travel industry. So when people, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, say, oh, you went to Bali, like what do you recommend I do in Bali? Well, you can go on to Amazon.com, and when you know you're in your Amazon Associates account, when you see that little gray bar at the top, and it'll say on the left like Amazon Associates site Stripe, and you can click on any product and you can easily access your link right there in that gray bar. But the point is, you can Google something like Bali travel guide, and you can pick any of them, one that you liked, and you could say, hey, check out this Bali travel guide. I highly recommend it. I did a few things in Bali from this travel guide. You could hand your affiliate link to whoever you're referring it to, and if they buy the travel guide, because typically they're pretty cheap, you get that commission anywhere from 7 to 10%. Now you may be thinking, well, Marissa, that's like hardly anything. Well, it's definitely better than nothing, and the more people you refer, those things definitely add up. So I love Amazon for this reason, because there are a lot of travel resources on Amazon, so you can kind of maybe put together a package of resources for a certain place and send out all those links to whoever's asking next for that particular place. All right, so the next way to monetize your travels is using Agoda. Now, if you go to agoda.com, you'll see that it's kind of a typical website where you can purchase and book your next hotel, resort, hostel, flights, etc. So it's one of those websites. What's interesting about Agoda is when you start out as an affiliate, you only get 5% commission, which isn't that much, but the way that their affiliate program is set up is the more that you sell, kind of like the more points you earn as an affiliate, the higher commissions you get over time. So I'll leave the affiliate program website so you guys can check it out, but it is a reputable program from the research that I've done, and it is pretty cool how they have it. So they reward you for the more bookings you get over time. So that could really, really add up when we're talking about flights and hotels. Now, the fifth way to monetize your travels is with TripAdvisor. Now, I just actually learned this today. I didn't even know TripAdvisor had an affiliate program, and it's pretty cool because it is a flat rate of 50% commission. This is really where you can take advantage on telling people things to do, recommendations, tours you've done, restaurants you've been to. Send them your affiliate link to a particular restaurant or activity or experience that you've done, and you would receive 50% commissions on that referral if people, decided to do that activity through your link. Yeah, and so we all know that TripAdvisor is very reputable. We've all seen the little sticker on, maybe different restaurants or coffee shops that we've seen. Their network expands very, very deeply, like over 500,000 cities around the world. They have a really great support team. As an affiliate, you'd have access to a really dedicated and helpful support team, so that's pretty cool too. So check out the affiliate program for TripAdvisor. All right, so the next affiliate program, number 6 that I wanted to mention of the ways you can monetize your travels, is with Skyscanner. So maybe you've heard of it, maybe you haven't. Skyscanner offers affordable flights, so if you do become an affiliate, it's pretty cool because they give you the white label option of a search bar that you can put on your website or use for your audience, which is pretty cool. I haven't heard of that before. So yes, with Skyscanner, you do have the ability to make 50% commissions, just straight across 50% for whatever revenue they bring in from the sales they make on their flights. So that's pretty cool. We all know flights can get pretty expensive, so that would be a good chunk of change and something to really consider if you fly often and you're recommending different websites a lot to people on cheap, affordable flights that they could get. Consider becoming an affiliate for Skyscanner. So I just showed you the 6 ways you can take advantage of affiliate travel programs and really start to bring in some pretty decent commissions with these different types of opportunities just for doing what you already do, and that is, referring people and telling people about your vacations and recommending them, things to do, flights, etc., etc. So you may be wondering, okay, Marissa, this is all cool, but like, where do I even get started? Well, if I were you, I would get started with just sending these links to your coworkers. I can't count how many times in the past I've, told coworkers about vacations that I've been on, and they've been like, oh, like, what exactly did you do? And, don't go out and blast your email at your job, like with these different links, because, I worked for the government back in the day, and that was certainly not allowed. Just, send them a personal email or text them your affiliate link to either one of these programs, and whenever they do click on that link, it'll be cookied. So the next time they do go to book a flight, a hotel, whatever it is, their link would be cookied to your code, so you would get the commission for whatever you buy. Yeah, so that is number 1. Start with your coworkers. The second thing I would do, and my mom does this all the time, and she doesn't do this, what I'm about to tell you, but she'll post like, oh, check out what we did I think they were just in Vermont and on the East Coast. Check out what we did on the East Coast. You know, this day we went here, blah, 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 blah. And she like maps out everything they did, shows these really cool pictures. But you know what she could do, and this is what I suggest you should do, is, you know, when you do those pictures and recap summaries on Facebook, post your links to these travel networks. So you could be like, yeah, and by the way, I got a super cool deal on Booking.com. I saved like $50 a night. You know, check out Booking.com for your next, you know, vacation, or if you're going to stay somewhere on the East Coast. She could easily be monetizing these posts because my mom gets a ton of engagements on these posts. It's insane. And people actually, when she goes on vacation and does these trips, people look forward to her posts because they're super engaging and she like gives detail of every single thing she did. So that is one way to do it. Do a Facebook Live or do a Facebook post with lots of pictures and put in your affiliate links at the bottom of that post. People will click, I promise you. The next thing you can do to really take it up a notch is to produce your own travel guide ebook and your experiences and publish that ebook on Amazon. So you could have Amazon traffic going to this ebook, and you could also just pass this ebook along when people ask you, you know, on your next vacation, these types of questions that we went over. You could just say, hey, here's my travel ebook of everything I've done, check it out. And it could be maybe a 30-page simple travel guide on the places you've been, the networks you recommend, and that type of stuff. So it's pretty easy to publish a book, very, very easy to publish an ebook. You can use a website like Fiverr.com, Upwork.com to have somebody help you write the book. And it's a very simple process to have your own book published on Amazon. So not only will you be getting affiliate commissions, but you can be getting commissions from selling the book for, you know, $6, $7, something like that. Some of the other things you can do, this is getting up to the more advanced level and turning into maybe a online business. You can take these travel guides and travel, you know, advice and turn it into a travel blog. I actually plan and intend to do this. People get scared and don't want to start a blog because they say there's too much competition, which is absolutely not true. I'm living proof of, you know, people saying a year ago there's too much competition on YouTube and you can't grow a channel anymore in 2018. Well, look at me now in 2019. It is a thriving business for me. So don't be scared to start a travel blog because you think there's too many travel blogs out there. There is never too much competition. There's always a way to do it. You obviously have to have patience and be willing to, you know, learn SEO and keyword research. But if it is something that you're willing to dedicate to, you could have a legit travel blog business, you know, up and running within 6 to 12 months. I talk more about travel blogging in depth in this video where I talk about making money, ways to make money on the beach, but you guys can check that out later. So bottom line, the next advanced step is to do, you know, a YouTube channel about travel, a blog about travel, Pinterest, to really focus on growing your travel on one of these social media platforms and building an audience that will be natural traffic to all these affiliate links. So guys, I hope you guys got a ton of value from this video. Leave a comment below on your next vacation and what website or affiliate program you could use on your next vacation to monetize this travel affiliate marketing industry. I'm Marissa Romero. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hope you guys enjoyed this video on how you can start monetizing your vacations. Go ahead and click the first link in the description below for more details on affiliate marketing and online business in general, and check out all the resources I mentioned in this video. You can catch all the links in the description below this one. My name is Marissa Romero. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.